You consume an endless amount of self-help videos, books, or seminars, but you still feel like you're at the same point. Nothing really changed besides some good morals acquired. One day you stumble across information firing you up like you found answers to everything, only to return to your unfulfilled state shortly after. Most of these influencers are providing solutions based on their personal experience, which may not always be adapted to you. The point of this video is to reveal how you can use self-improvement information as a weapon, drastically improving your life. No BS. So stay until the end and let's optimize together. From a personal standpoint, I found the key to make personal development deadly effective. When used in the right way, it improves your overall well-being. Making it a priority, you tend to have higher self-esteem and you become more resilient. Qualities obviously helpful in any realm of human endeavor. People saying self-improvement doesn't work are those who simply don't know how to use it. Let me prove them wrong by explaining to you how to use self-improvement content in the right way. See, you can read all the books in the world and still not get what you want out of it. Imagine learning mathematical formulas without exercising. It's too abstract, too theoretical. It's only when you start using these math formulas with an aim that is to solve a problem that you see the point of it. Suddenly, all these scary looking formulas make sense. Personal development is the same. Focusing too much on the theory, purely speaking, of self-improvement can lead to the opposite result and cause stress, anxiety, and depression. Like in mathematics, you need to implement self-improvement concepts towards a goal, towards something that stretches you out, allowing you to contemplate concepts with better insight. Aristotle said about it, the purpose of knowledge is action, not knowledge. Having a purpose in life is so important. We humans are aiming creatures. We point at something and strive to reach it. It regulates your emotions. The anxiety coming with a hedonistic way of living vanishes when you know you're moving towards something valuable to you. In other words, having a purpose calibrates us on different levels, out of our understanding. Now let me explain to you why having a purpose is a game changer when it comes to self-improvement. When you aim at something far with an assault rifle, the more you add attachment like a scope, a vertical grip, or a bipod, the more successfully you reach the targets. It's the same with personal development. Relevant information should be picked, experimented, adopted to reach your goal. Similarly, as relevant attachment are added to the rifle in order to improve accuracy. Eric Thomas said about it, knowledge isn't power, applied knowledge is power. What are you aiming at? Why do you want to improve? Is it in order to become a top-notch salesman? Or maybe you want to develop the mental qualities necessary to be a successful entrepreneur? What do you see in the scope? Be precise. At the moment you have a purpose, a target to aim, a worthy ideal that is valuable to you and towards which you're willing to strive every day, then self-improvement can be used as a lethal weapon. You start noticing knowledge that is appealing to you. You implement, you reflect on, or you reject. That's the way to use self-improvement, and it will work effectively on anyone committed to a definite chief aim. Plus, the brain is designed to remember and incorporate theoretical knowledge that you use on the field. Otherwise, your brain deletes ideas it considers useless. That's why you forget most of the useless crap you learn in school. Alright, that's it for this one, guys. Stay true to yourself.